Levergun's so hot right now.
Oh, yeah.
Everyone's doing the Levergun thing. It's actually driving me crazy. So this catches my eye. What do you guys have here in this Henry Levergun?
So what we did here is we created an RMR mount. We do make them in brass or aluminum that we Cerakote in black, but it features the RMR footprint. We do make them in either large frame or small frame capacity, so you can put them on the larger or small frames. There's multiple mounting holes in the mount, so you can choose kind of the locations on top that you want to mount it. And then you're ready to rock and roll with your red dot.
That's hilarious, man. Quickly Down Under. He wished he had one of these, right? I would think.
Absolutely.
I've never watched that movie, but everybody says it's sick, right?
Yeah.
Tom Selleck's the man, is he not?
Is, absolutely.
Yeah. I wish I could grow chest hair like Tom Selleck. I have none. We've talked more about my chest hair than we have the mount. Tell me a little bit more about it, because I don't know shit about mounting dots on a Levergun. Is there anything else I need to... I see this and I'm like, yeah, this is pretty cool. I want to get this. What do I need to know before I buy it?
So pretty much just need to know, we sell them based off your frame size. So if you have like a rifle caliber, it's going to be the large frame. Pistol calibers are small frame. So when you go to order them, you'll order large frame or small frame. So that'll distinguish the two. They're pretty similar, but just kind of some of the shaping features of how it sits on the frame. So if you know your caliber and frame size, that's pretty much it, and then color features. But we do only offer it in the RMR footprint, which is compatible with multiple red dots out there. So
that's the standard, de facto standard.
The standard, so that's the one we went with. As far as mounting it goes, on top of the actions there's 2 screws here and 2 screws in the front. So you can choose a forward or rear mounting location on these. But there, as I said, on the mount itself, there is multiple holes, so you can kind of still even offset it even on those 2 mounting locations.
Okay, that's cool. Cameron, have you shot this configuration?
Yeah, oh, yes, I have.
Have you shot this exact setup?
Yes, I have.
What do you think? Give me your opinion.
I love it. I mean, the way we set it up with the suppressor and everything too, this allows it to sit high so you can still see above your suppressor and everything, and having a red dot capable Levergun is, I think, a must nowadays.
Is it possibly blasphemy to have a red dot on a Levergun like this?
Some might say, but I think the way that the community's going these days, I think it's a must.
Yeah, I think it's pretty neat. It did catch my eye, I'm not going to lie to you. How much does it cost, and when can I get it, and how do I get it? 3 questions.
So they are available now on our website and through Rainier. The brass ones start at $125, and the black ones are around $100. And they're available now.
Okay, Cameron, thank you so much for walking me through. I think this is brilliant. I love coming to shows like this and seeing like clever shit like this that I would never think of.
Right.
Because, I mean, it would look perverse to have, you've got this beautiful brass case. What do we call this? Like a brass case design? I don't know shit about Leverguns. What's the brass finish? And you don't have, like, you put some janky... blue.
Yeah, we tried to at least match the classiness of the weapon with the mount, so.
Oh, you did. I mean, this is class all the way through. Now we just need a brass RMR. TriggrCon, you guys get on it. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching TFBTV Showtime. Stay tuned. We're bringing you more from TriggrCon.